Hello, welcome back to a brand new video. On this channel we buy and sell Le Creuset. The channel is all about sourcing, finding prices, getting it cleaned up and then putting it on to eBay for sale. But today's video we've got 4 of these boxes to open up and see what's inside. They've been around for a while so I don't remember what's actually in them. So we'll flip the camera around and take a look. So let's make a start on the 4 boxes. They're all from either InPost, so vintage parcels, eBay parcels. That's mainly where I source. Sometimes Facebook, but I looked on there for a while. So I'll swing these aside. I will start with this one. So packaging wise, not bad for a vintage parcel. I try and open all the boxes the way they should open. That way I can reuse them for my own items when they sell. So unless the boxes aren't very good, I will trash them open. Bit of that. So just chuck that down there. So first item is 30 centimetre. There we go, swing that round. 30 centimetre Le Creuset, like a roasting tray. Blue. The usual little scruffy on the corners, obviously where it's been in cupboards and the ovens, all that sort of stuff. Inside, slight staining, but all that will come off. You still see the shine, so even underneath the dirt or staining, it shows that the condition is still really good. Nothing at all wrong with that. Once it's on, cleaned up, probably be up for around 100, maybe a little more, depends on the colour, but good start. Oh, there was here this from a few videos ago. It's a little blue, real old as well. The inside of the lid is also the blue. This was an 18 centimetre little casserole. Well, a second box. InPost again, so this is another vintage order. Lots of Le Creuset and vintage at the minute as well. Lots of stoneware. The stoneware was wasn't able to sell cast iron pans for a while. It was just stoneware, and obviously vintage have slowly opened up their categories. So obviously now you can get the cast iron for generally good prices. But this so it's a Le Creuset casserole, but the lid is a similar material to what the kettles are. It's either a real thin steel or it's a carbon steel. But branding on the knob, that shows it's a classic. Inside again, usual staining, it'll all come up. On this one you see it hasn't quite got the shine through the dirt, so it will be a little bit more worn, but there's no chips, there's no cracks. Always check for cracks just around here, just to make sure it's not been, if it's been in the box and took a whack from the side, it tends to then crack down the side of those. But real nice colour. This should hopefully go with it being summertime in the UK soon. But real clean as well, 24 centimetres. Nice little casserole dish, slightly different as well. And hopefully the colour should help it out. See what's in this big one. Pretty sure this is an eBay buy. Oh, it's a big box for a tiny pan. I've not seen packaging like that before. Here's this off. paperwork. Shred that. So all that just for this. So we've got, it's not the signature. The signature has the actual loop grab handle. This is obviously like the second generation. First generation, this nib is a lot smaller. It doesn't have the Creuset embossed on it. But condition-wise, filthy, well used. This will all come off no problem, and it will go back to looking. We got a good area on it. Like what the lip is just here. No, nothing too wrong with it really. Size 26. So you get square 26, round 26. You can get bigger round ones and smaller round ones and smaller square ones. I've not seen a 30cm square skillet, so I'm going to say they probably don't do one. But the nice anthracite grey that was all the range a few years ago. But that'll be a 55, 60, 65 maybe once it's cleaned up. I'll get that on soon. And then our last little box, it's in heavy either, so this must be something stoneware. But this is a Vinted again. Got it in post stickers on. I would use it in post when selling off eBay if I could, but I don't trust people getting there within the time and then the parcel ends up coming back. Not for the value this stuff's worth anyway. We've got, what is that? I don't remember what this is. Packaged really well, which is nice. Nice little presentation boxes. Let's have a look. Oh, it's the kids. Be careful with this. There's the big plate. The baby blue. So these come in pink as well. I'm not sure they come in yellow. So it's a little kid's plate. This is obviously the slightly smaller blue one. How did this go? Try not to damage these. Then these must be the spoons. Oh, not spoons. The tiny little like bowls dishes. So you got the one in the shape of the little bear. Nice blue. I'm not sure if that's the Caribbean teal, whatever it's called. And obviously the little car. Quite a cool thing. All undamaged as well, which is nice. Let's get those listed up soon. I'll say what they are on the back of the boxes as well. Oh, the brown car set. And then obviously those baby bear plate set. So we'll get those listed. So there we go. That is all the bits from today's unboxing done. We'll get them all into clean now. They can go straight on. They're undamaged, clean, not used. And they're in their presentation boxes. That is it for today's video. If you're enjoying the content, please go ahead, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on the next video.